This is a centre console H-frame for a Triumph TR4A up until the TR6. They did differ between these cars, all to do with the cut-out mounts on the side there. However, the retrim kit that we offer is suitable for all of them and trimmed in the same fashion there. So our customer, who I believe has got a TR5, although I have a sneaking suspicion this is actually an H-frame from the TR6, has sent us his old cover, which we've retrimmed over the top of. You don't strip the old black plastic off, you go over the top of it. You just have to kind of fill it in, make it look nice and neat and tidy, use some expanding foam and sand it back before you start. Then you go over the top using a contact adhesive. So our retrim kits, we can offer them in vinyl or in leather, and we can offer them in black as original or in other colours. So you see our website for details. As you can see, retrimmed it, you get elements of top stitching going forward and around. That's where the gear lever comes out of there, and the radio here, etc., which we've just made star cuts there so that they can mount everything at their end effectively, trimmed all the way around. They're not too bad to trim. They're a bit tricky. Always recommend you start in this area here, anchoring down these stitch lines here into place, then this element here, and then working all the materials towards the outward angles there. You'll often find that you end up with bits of bagginess, but they can often get lost down here effectively. You don't want any bagginess up here because you won't have anywhere to get rid of it. So we standardly offer the retrim kits, but if you want us to send your old H-frame to us, we can retrim it for you. See our website for more details.